Hello, my name is Nina and I will be discussing my fieldwork on YouTube. So firstly, what is YouTube? YouTube was originally made as a dating website and soon it became a hugely popular video streaming website where users can upload almost any content they want. YouTube has allowed great educational opportunities. YouTube has a multitude of educational videos available to many students, such as Harvard lectures and even early childhood development videos for young children. YouTube is a great source for new educational learning methods and trends. YouTube also is a participatory culture where students can engage with other students by expressing themselves and collaborating with other students. Another trend is many teachers now pre-record their lectures online for students to view at home and later discuss in a group setting with other students. So I would use a flipped classroom approach when using YouTube by recording my lectures and uploading them later for students to view. I would have the students then participate in a group discussion and ask them questions on what they discovered. I would also allow the students to engage in other content they may find useful. I personally found that some teachers on YouTube have great teaching styles and some of which may be easier for students to understand. It would also give me an opportunity to reflect on my own teaching style and update it to keep up with the diverse students that I have. I would also use YouTube as a way for students to interact with each other using collaborative problem solving by helping each other complete tasks while also learning new information. By allowing students to also upload their own content to engage indirectly on their own with other students and directly in classroom, they will be engaged in a group discussion. The students will benefit in expressions by producing new creative forms that can really help them understand how they like to learn. So here I list some of the cons, because there are some cons when using YouTube. One major one would be censorship. Students are able to access a lot of information on YouTube. YouTube isn't just for educational uses, it's also an environment where there's other information on there that may be not well suited for some students at certain ages. Another one would be the interactions. Although it would be a great participatory culture for students to interact with other students, there's also other people online using YouTube that are strangers. So there's also a quote that I wanted to show was that by Dr. Lawrence A. Morin, as just because it's popular doesn't mean it's good. So in some cases, because YouTube is really popular, it doesn't mean that it is a great place for students. Though there are some benefits, one would be the engagement. Students are able to openly engage with each other and actively participate what they learn from YouTube to the classroom, and all the knowledge that they get from YouTube, such as you can reach Harvard lectures, Oxford lectures, and there's just a variety of different knowledge and information that students can really benefit from watching on YouTube. And also the diversity in topics that they can learn from. A quote that I like is, "There is a great amount of diversity and interest where friends can hang out online." So thank you so much for viewing my recording. Just a last note, I want to say YouTube is a great source for educational use, and it's a website used to keep up to trends with new learning styles. So I feel like it's a very great method and tool to use for educators to use in the future and present. Thank you.